Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we have something truly special for all the poker enthusiasts out there. Get ready to elevate your game nights with the best gold poker chips available. The Gold Games Professional Poker Chip Set. This stunning set brings the allure of the casino right into your home. With 100 gold poker chips and not one, but 2 decks of gold water-resistant playing cards, you're all set for an evening of high-stakes entertainment. Crafted with attention to detail, these chips and cards boast a glossy finish that screams luxury. Whether you're hosting a game night with friends or looking to add a touch of elegance to your poker collection, the Gold Games Professional Poker Chip Set is sure to impress. What sets this set apart is its attention to quality. Made from durable materials, these chips and cards are built to withstand countless rounds of gameplay. Plus, the water-resistant feature ensures that spills won't put a damper on your fun. But it's not just about durability. The Gold Games Professional Poker Chip Set delivers on style too. The all-gold design exudes sophistication and adds a touch of glamour to your gaming table. It's like having a piece of Las Vegas right in your living room. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this set is perfect for players of all levels. It's also a fantastic gift idea for the poker lover in your life, making it a versatile addition to any collection. So, if you're ready to take your poker nights to the next level, look no further than the Gold Games Professional Poker Chip Set. With its impeccable craftsmanship, stunning design, and unbeatable quality, it's a must-have for any serious player. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And as always, thanks for watching Product Critique. Until next time, happy gaming!